Hi. Welcome to my short video on
Bringing dead batteries back to life is simple. The average person already spends over $15,000 in their lifetime. Do you want to discover how to bring old batteries back to life again? Save money and buy less new batteries. Recondition old batteries and resell them for a nice profit. Increase the lifespan of new and old batteries. There is finally a better way. You can easily recondition and reuse your old batteries instead of buying new, expensive batteries. Over 19,541 people have used these very same methods to bring their old batteries back to life. It's simple, quick and very effective. The Easy Battery Reconditioning Course. The easy-to-follow, step-by-step system to recondition all kinds of old batteries in your home. Step-by-step guides that will show you how to recondition nearly every type of battery out there. Full of pictures and diagrams so you not only read exactly what to do, you see exactly what to do as well. It's incredibly easy to follow and absolutely anybody can use it. Take a look at what people are saying.
Hi, I'm Steve Siegel from Grays Lake, Illinois. I had an old golf cart with 6 dead batteries. I was facing replacing all 6, going to be over $875. So I decided to invest in Tom Erickson's Easy Battery Reconditioning program, and I'm back up and running. Tom's program taught me 4 ways to see if my golf cart could even be reconditioned, and then 3 ways to recondition the batteries. And I'd recommend Easy Battery Reconditioning to anybody who wants to save money and recondition old batteries.
Hi, my name is Anthony and I've been using the Easy Battery Reconditioning for a couple of months now. So far the program has worked incredibly well for me. Now, my battery died, so I decided to use the simple steps in Easy Battery Reconditioning. And after about 30 minutes or so, my battery started working again, and it's been working incredibly well since.
Since I've been using Easy Battery Reconditioning, I've been able to recondition and reuse all kinds of dead batteries. Car batteries, power tool batteries, motorbike batteries, different types of lead-acid batteries, laptop and lithium-ion batteries, cell phone batteries, and many other types of common batteries.
Get access to Easy Battery Reconditioning course by checking link in description.
Please click my link below for more details. Bye.